What's up, guys? How do you play a free falling market? I'm going to be telling you some of the stuff that I do whenever the market is coming unglued like it is right now. Hey, I'm Luke Downey. Here's another edition of Lessons with Luke. I try to give a lot of lessons about investing. I've been doing this game for about 20 years. Just want to make you a better investor. So make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So here is the deal. This morning I go in, I look at the data. November 30th, what do I see? I saw the most selling, right, for stocks since the pandemic lows of March 2020. Guys, we are starting to see immense pressure right now. I think portfolio managers are just getting destroyed. So how do you benefit in this type of market environment? I'm going to tell you exactly what I'm doing. Very simply, we all have these mental lists of stocks that we have wanted to own, right? These are stocks that have gotten away from us, right? Maybe they rallied a lot. Maybe they've got past our buy levels and we kind of just been watching them, hoping, praying, sitting, whatever it is that you're doing. Here's what you need to do. Whenever markets go into this risk off mode, there's so much opportunity, and here's how you play it. Number one, get your list out, right? Write the names of stocks that you want to own. I'm going to put one right now. I'm not going to give you the ticker. I'm not going to do that. No freebies. But also write the price that you want to own it, right? And that actually might be lower than where it is today. You put that number down, right? And then you go into your brokerage account and you put your buy order out there, okay? And what you're doing is you're actually making a wager that is based on a level where you're trying to get a good deal. Okay, so you're out there and you're saying, you know what, I want to buy this stock lower. You start rooting for the stock to go down because you want a great deal. When the pain is high enough right now, you can know that portfolio managers are going to have to sell, and they might actually get to your level, right? There's forced selling going on. There's liquidations, there's redemptions probably, right? This is an opportune time to be scooping up some great stocks. But you can't do all this mental preparation and say, oh, I'll do this if this. You got to be serious. And if you're serious, you're going to write it down and you're going to be able to put some orders out there. They may not get hit, but you know what? Some of them will. Be patient and make sure to take advantage of some of these fast market opportunities. They don't last forever, right? A lot of people, they start to think, oh God, we're going into this bear market. Most of the time we don't. Most of the time we figure it out. Most of the time the narrative changes, and this is a great opportunity, and they usually don't last long. So take advantage of it, be serious, write down your levels, right? And if you got a little bit of cash, you've been sitting on the sidelines, go in there, put your buy order, start rooting for it to go lower. That's how you become a better investor. I'll see you next time.